The new BMW M5 F90. The iconic high-performance sedan shows itself in its sharpest form to date. The latest version of the M5 F90 series, which was first introduced in 2017, demonstrates the sovereignty of a business sedan with the dynamism and maximum performance of a high-performance sports car in the most compelling way. The 4.4 V8 engine with BMW M TwinPower technology develops 441 km in the BMW M5 and an impressive 460 km in 625 km in the BMW M5 Competition. And in terms of breathtaking, the latter reaches 100 km/h in just 3.3 seconds.